Have you noticed a sudden pain on the left side or the right side of your womb, and you're wondering if it might have been implantation? Well, listen to this video and I'll explain what implantation feels like, because I experienced it during my pregnancies as well. Hi, I'm Vicki from Oh My Mama Body. Now, I really love explaining bodily symptoms during pregnancy and postpartum to really help you to understand what's going on with your body so that you can enjoy pregnancy and your whole fertility journey. If you're new to my channel, then a really warm welcome. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please support me by hitting the subscribe button and adding a comment below. Now, have you noticed like a pinprick kind of feeling, maybe a slight stabbing feeling on one side of your womb? It could be the left side or the right side of your womb. And you're wondering if it might be implantation that you are feeling. Now, many women ask me, is it possible to feel implantation really shortly after ovulation? Well, yes, you can. It really depends when your egg has been released and when you had sex. But you can feel it really soon after having sex. It just depends where your egg has travelled to and where it exactly was. Maybe it was very close and could attach itself to your womb lining really fast. So that's why you might experience it very soon after ovulation. Other women experience it a bit later on. Now again, it really depends on when your egg was released and when the sperm met the egg and when the egg travelled down to the lining of the womb to embed itself. Now, it's this embedding that causes that feeling of implantation. Now, with me, it was a really clear feeling on one side. And if I just stand up for you, so here's my womb area, and it would be here. So there we go, there, or the other side, of course, yeah? So it's not anything that would be a bit higher. So if you think about where your ovaries are, here's your ovaries, and then you've got the womb here underneath your ovaries. If you feel like it's happening higher up here, and it's a pain that continues, kind of goes on and off and on and off, then please do check with your doctor, just really in case of possible ectopic pregnancy. You always really need to be aware of that. Now, if it's come down further and you feel it in this area, so your lower abdominal area in your womb lining, and it's something that's lasted for 1 to 2 days, like a slight digging in feeling, maybe like a pinprick or a sharp jabbing, everyone experiences it in a slightly different way. Now, if that's what you're feeling, then it's most likely that you're feeling implantation. Now, sometimes implantation is accompanied with very light spotting. Spotting is a light bleeding, which is normally a dark brown, dark red, rusty colour. If you do experience like a bright red colour like normal blood, then do just keep a track of it. Because if that's happening and it's already later on in your cycle, then it's something that you might be having to keep a check on, because any kind of bright red blood is normally a warning sign. So do check with your doctor. Now, shortly after implantation and feeling this, stabbing, pinprick feeling on one side, then you might actually start to notice a bit of cramping around your womb area. Now, it's basically your uterus getting used and adjusted to having the egg, having pregnancy and everything. The pregnancy hormones are starting to kick off and getting to action, and this could cause a slight crampy feeling. Now, I know it can get worrying if you've realised that you're pregnant and you're having a cramping feeling. So do keep a check on it. Now, normally implantation does happen a little bit earlier before a missed period, and then you get the slight cramping, which is sometimes hard to tell the difference between pregnancy and PMS, which I've got a whole other video about. So just that you know that these are typical symptoms that come along with implantation. and also a possible feeling of like adrenaline rushes and stomach fluttering, because this is when the pregnancy hormones are really kicking in and making huge changes in your body. So I really hope that's helped you today to understand your body and what's going on. Now, please come and join me in my Mama Meets and Midwife group. It's a Facebook group, and we have loads of support and midwives there to help you with any of your questions on your fertility journey. And we really look forward to hearing from you and supporting you. If you've got any comments at all, then have a look down there, pop them in the comments field. And also, if you click the drop down arrow, there's a whole details field with more information about how you can visit the Oh My Mama Body website and other videos that I've got, and other important links to information that are going to help you on your wonderful pregnancy journey. Wishing you all the best. Bye for now.